Hi, I'm Faith Kalu, and welcome back to the channel where we empower creators just like you to turn your passions into thriving careers. Today, we are diving into a topic that's close to my heart: how to turn your content creation hobby into a full-time career in 2025. And if you've been dreaming of making a living from your creative passions, this is the real time you need. So grab a notebook, set your light, and let's get started. Let's begin with the foundation, your mindset. Turning your hobby into a career isn't just about skill, it's about the way you think about yourself and your work. Without the right mindset, even the best strategies won't stick. The first step is committing to a career mindset. Yes, this means no more seeing content creation as a side hustle or something you do in your spare time for fun. You have to start believing in the value of what you create. Say this out loud with me: I am a professional creator and my work has value. These are not just words, they are your declaration of intent. From now on, you're not dabbling, you're building a career. This mindset shift is crucial because it lays the foundation for discipline, strategy, and consistency. When you see yourself as a professional, you start acting like one, and trust me, your audience will notice that change. Next, let's talk about your personal brand. Think of your personal brand as your signature. What makes you unique as a creator and distinguishes you from others in your niche? Building a strong personal brand begins with clarity. Start by asking yourself, what's my niche? What am I passionate about? What do I want to be known for? Are you here to educate, entertain, inspire, or perhaps a combination of all of this? For example, if you're passionate about African cuisine, make it the heart of your content. Share your stories, celebrate traditions, and bring your unique perspective to the table. Then, focus on consistency. This means having a uniform style in your visuals, tone of voice, and messaging. When someone sees your content, they should immediately recognize it as yours, whether it's your color, music, or the way you tell stories. A strong brand isn't just memorable, it builds that trust and loyalty, which are invaluable in this industry. Now, let's get real. A hobby doesn't need to make money, but a career does. That's why defining your revenue goals is so important. Start by determining how much you need to earn monthly to sustain yourself comfortably. Consider your expenses, savings, goals, and even investments in your crafts. This figure becomes your target. Break it down further. Where will this income come from? Think about revenue streams like brand partnerships, digital products, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, fan subscriptions, and merchandise sales. For instance, if you're a travel vlogger, you could partner with tourism boards, sell exclusive travel guides, and even earn from YouTube ads. The clearer you are about your financial goals, the easier it will be to build a roadmap to achieve them. Let's talk about platforms. One platform is never enough if you're serious about scaling your career. Relying solely on one is risky. What happens if it changes its algorithm or becomes less popular? Start with the platform you're strongest on and expand gradually. For instance, if TikTok is your main platform, repurpose your shorts videos for Instagram and YouTube Shorts. These platforms have overlapping audiences but also bring new opportunities. It's not just about cross-posting. Tailor your content to each platform's audience. On TikTok, you might focus on quick, snappy content. On Instagram, you can go for a well-polished aesthetics. On YouTube, longer, more detailed content might perform better. This diversification multiplies your exposure and opens up more monetization opportunities. Speaking of monetization, here is something many creators don't realize. You don't need millions of followers to make money. Even a small engaged audience can be highly profitable if you monetize strategically. Let's say you're a photographer, for instance, with just 2,000 followers. You could offer paid one-on-one consultations, sell presets, or create an online course teaching photography basics. The key is understanding your audience's needs and creating value for them. Think about about what problems you can solve or what unique perspective you need to bring to the table. The sooner you start monetizing, the sooner you'll be able to reinvest in your growth. Here's another very crucial point to succeed. You need to treat content creation as a business. Yes, that means adopting structure, strategy, and discipline. Create a content calendar to plan your uploads, set realistic deadlines for yourself, and track your expenses and income. Use tools like QuickBooks for financial management or Google Sheets for tracking metrics like engagement rates and revenue streams. Block out specific hours in your day or week for content creation. Treat these hours like you would any other job commitments, non-negotiable. This level of professionalism will not only improve your workflow, but also help you balance content creation with other responsibilities. Let's shift focus to your audience for a moment. Your community is your biggest asset. It's not enough to have followers. You need to build a loyal, engaged community. Interact with your audience regularly. Reply to comments, answer questions, and even involve them in your creative process by asking for their feedback or running polls. Loyal fans are the ones who will share your content, buy products, and support you financially through donations or subscriptions. The more connected they feel to you, the more they will champion your work. Even as a professional, there's always room to grow. Invest in skill development continuously. Take courses, attend workshops, or learn from mentors in your niche. For instance, if you're a video creator, consider learning advanced editing techniques or storytelling strategies. If you're a writer, take a course on SEO or digital marketing. The content creation landscape is always evolving. Staying updated on trends and honing your skills ensures that you remain competitive and relevant, no matter how crowded your niche becomes. Collaboration is another very powerful tool in your arsenal. Partnering with other creators can help you reach new audiences, learn new skills, and even create unique content. For example, if you're a fitness influencer, collaborating with a nutritionist could lead to a valuable series on fitness and healthy eating. These partnerships don't just expand your reach, they also bring fresh perspectives to your content, making it more dynamic and engaging. Content creation can be demanding, and burnout is a real challenge for many creators. That's why building a sustainable workflow is so important. Use tools like Notion or Trello to organize your tasks and batch produce content to save time. Plan your schedule around your energy levels, focusing on high energy periods for content creation and low energy periods for administrative tasks. Remember, consistency is key, but so is maintaining your mental and physical health. A sustainable workflow ensures you can keep creating without sacrificing your well-being. As you start earning from your content, reinvest in your growth. Upgrade your equipment, hire help, or run ads to grow your audience. Reinvesting in your career not only accelerates your growth, but also enhances the quality of your content, making you more appealing to both your audience and potential brand partners. Finally, let's talk about the transition from hobbyist to full-time creator. Don't quit your day job immediately. Transition gradually. Use your free time to build income streams and save up a financial cushion. Once your content creation revenue consistently covers your expenses, you can now make the leap with confidence. This gradual approach minimizes risk and gives you time to adapt to the demands of full-time content creation. Turning your hobby into a full-time career is a journey, and it's one of the most rewarding ones you can take. It takes time, it takes patience and persistence. Remember, every piece of content, every engagement, and every lesson brings you closer to your goal. Talent is very important, but it's your commitment and adaptability that will truly set you apart. If this video inspired you today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really love to hear about your goals. Drop them in the comments and let's achieve them together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.